Welcome back, guys and girls. Working on the old Ford 4000 again. Water pump install. I've got a video on that, real quick video that just kind of points out the new one, the old one, what you have to do, not a step by step. But one of the steps that you do have to do is loosen your fan belt, which is also your generator belt. And on this tractor, we are still running the old school 6-volt generator, 6-volt battery. It's a positive ground system, so your positive cable hooks to the frame. It's good to know what your tractor has before you try to jump start it, or if you're looking at one and you're wanting to see if you can fire it up or whatever, it's good to know what you have before you start hooking electricity to it. Anyways, so if you have to remove the generator or you just have to loosen it up, here's what you have to do. You got to loosen that bolt, which on this tractor it looks original. That's a 9/16 wrench. We'll go under here. You have to loosen that bolt, and it's actually easier to loosen the nuts. There's one there and there's one there. Now these are oddball, or what we would consider oddball, because they're 11/16. And that may seem kind of strange, but on equipment, a lot of times you use what we call double strength nuts. And so let's say the bolt is a 3/8/16. Normally the wrench or socket size would be 9/16. With a double strength nut, the hex of the nut is actually bigger, and so it takes a bigger wrench or socket to take it off. All this looks pretty much original. There's a lot of stuff on this old tractor that's pretty much original because it's been owned by the same family for about 50 years. And you know, just things don't get changed until they need to be changed. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching.